I'm a man divided.
So, I just got a notification. By the way, this was shot on my phone. I got a notification that one of my joints came in, and I got 3 things coming in. 2 that's supposed to be coming in dos dias, which is Thursday, and something that just came in supposedly today. And I hope it came in. I don't know. We'll see. Skladoosh, skladoosh, skladoosh. Ooh, things did come in. What's that? Oh, that's for Armando. Build your credit. Don't care about that. And yeah, okay. By the way, this is a very swell gift from the one and only OnePlus. You know, because they're amazing people. Made my phone. Made this beautiful camera. I don't know. Tell me how the quality is. Should I start using this camera? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. And yeah, so let's skip it to the next part. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So, as you guys could tell...
apologies. I don't understand.
Never mind. Okay. Me, that's where I live. I should probably cover that, but okay. Let's open this joint up. Let's see if my knife will be useful today. As I said earlier, 2 things should be coming in. Take that out. Skladoosh. Not needed. Throw that to the side. Let's pick this up. Let's see if I can. Oh my gosh. This is... Oh, wait. I'm dumb. Alright, so all this stuff not needed. It smells like cheese. Ugh, that smells weird. Yes, guys, these are the OnePlus Bullets Wireless. Let's see. What's this? Oh, this is just a receipt. Okay. OnePlus Bullets Wireless. Ooh, these look nice. Look at that. Ooh. Let's open this up real quick. Right there. Let's see. There you go. Yeah. Sound of plastic. You know. Always gotta enjoy. Ooh, let's see this. Hold up. Oh, I thought. Ooh. This carrying stuff. Okay, so it comes with earbuds and ear wings. So, you know, if you got some weird ears and all that, you could trade those out. Oh, look at this case. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, and here is the dash charger. That's a cool thing about OnePlus stuff. Like, since I believe the 3 I want to say 3 or 3T, that they've had dash charging, and dash charging is amazing. Charges your phone from 0 to 50 in less than about a... Let me say their slogan. A day's power in half an hour, which I could say that is true. Look at that. It's magnetic too. Look. Let's hear that. That's awesome. Okay, I kind of like that. I like this case. Feels nice. It's a silicone case, by the way. And let's see if we could... Oh. And here are the buds, I want to say. What? Oh. There's more. Free your music. Created together with our fans. Here. Hold up. Pause real quick. Let's see if this works a little bit better, because I just changed the angle. Okay. So there is some little slots right there. Let's cut that. Ooh, okay. Look at that. Hold up, these are hot. Oh my gosh. And there's tape right there. Let's remove that. And just a real quick thing about the OnePlus Bullets Wireless. I heard they're like optimized for, I believe, I want to say the 5, the 5T, and the 6. And then later on, of course, let's see. Oh wow, that's a noise. I can't take that off. Okay, there you go. And these are supposedly magnets. Magnets. Pretty nice. I mean, feel plasticky, but I mean, these are supposed to be budget, of course. These are $70, so I don't know if that's budget for anyone. But yeah, these overall feel nice. Yeah, let's put that to the side and let's see what else there is. Some safety information and warranty. The user introduction. And I believe that is it. So I'm about to pair these up. Let's see how easy it is to pair these to my phone, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's start the timer. Okay, so I believe these should be working. I mean, I only charge them for like a minute or two, but you know, dash charge. And I noticed this button. Hold up, right there. I didn't know that. Pair a new device. Let's see. OnePlus bullets are wireless, and actually that's pretty simple. Let's see if it pairs. Is it pairing? Let's see. Cannot come. Oh, what? Here, let's try that again. Pairing. Let's see. Oh, yes. Allow. Ooh, that sounded crispy. Connected battery already at 100%. What? Yo, that's dope. Okay, here, let's just do a little quick sound check. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Alright, hold on. Let's figure this out. Automatic crisp. They sounded crisp. I mean, honestly, these. Oh no. I'm gonna be reviewing these. I'm gonna put a comparison later on. These. Ooh, this sounded so crispy. Honestly, I really do like these. The battery life is like 8 hours long. Charging them is like an hour, maybe 30 minutes to an hour, which but these sound really good for me. But I heard this. Oh my. Yo, these are nice. Only thing I could complain about for right now is this. This is like really sharp. I don't know. Here, let's try and focus that. I don't know if it's focused or not, but this is pretty sharp. I don't like, you could actually cut someone, shave or something. But I also heard that like you could pause it when you put it like that, or hang up a call. All this other type of stuff. But I don't know. So overall, right now, these are actually not that bad. Right now, only things I can complain about is this feeling that like this plastic. Could have been a little bit better, right now when I like put them in, they just have like this long thing right here. Wish that was just a tad bit smaller. But after that, these sound nice. So we'll go for the full review later. But peace out.